Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to Now Max TV. So in today's video I'm just going to show you how you can be making money by copy pasting. So when we talk about copy pasting, you can think about you cannot be able to make money, but also if you come into Google search and find out, try to search, for example, make money by copy pasting. Yes, copy and paste. So you can also type make money by copy pasting. If you type here, you can see there are a lot of videos that are going to be talking about that. Also, this is where you can be copy and pasting ads. But also if you type also by copy pasting only, you're going to be getting various articles which talk about how can be making money also by copy pasting. As you can see here on LinkedIn, they are talking about this. Also, you can be able to get various details. If you scroll down, you can be able to get various platforms that are talking about how to make money also by using copy pasting. You can see there are various ways that you can be by copying, by copy pasting email jobs. So as you can see, if you are a freelancer, you can be also able to get that opportunity. But also in this way, that is, I'm going to show you how can you be also able to make money by copy pasting. I want to talk about copy pasting, which means you have to copy certain information and also be able to paste the information in the given place, also in the destination, and also be able to make money. If you did not subscribe to the channel Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. So now this way I'm going to show you is the way that you can be use copy. Also you have to copy the link, the given link, then also be able to paste it somewhere. Then once someone also click on that link and also complete the purchase through that link, also I'm going to be also getting money. So I'm going to be showing you one of the platform that you can be using today and be able to make money also by copying also and pasting that link. Yeah, you can decide also to copy the link. Also I'm going to be opening this platform. This is a marketplace platform also, which is a multi vendor, and also I'm going to be opening this platform. And also once you open this platform, you can be able also to get directly to this platform. You can see there are various products, there are various also items that you can be using. Now you can be choosing which one you prefer to be copying, also which one you prefer to be selling out. So if for example you choose to be outsourcing this computer, you can choose also to be copying the link of this computer and also be able to paste it somewhere. If you paste, for example, the link of this computer and you decide to paste it somewhere, also you can be able also to get various details that will be helping you also to make money also by pasting that link. For example, you can copy this link and also share it on social media. And once the person also complete the purchase through by going through your link or your shared link, you're going to be earning also some amount or some commissions also as part of copy pasting. So you can see now I have this amount. So no matter where in which country you are, everywhere you are, so if a person is going to be completing the purchase through the link you pasted somewhere, you can also be able to earn certain amount of money, also certain percentage of this cost of this item. So for example, also you are selling this item and also are getting in the United States, also can be able to sell this item and also can be able to get an amount of 5% of these sales. So if you are having a blog, if you are having a social media platforms that you can be able to paste it or to copy this link and paste there, also you have to come here and take this link and paste it there. Also once you paste there and someone complete the purchase, you'll be able to track in the system that I'm going to be showing you and also be able to earn money also on this platform. Also this is a beautiful platform that is you can be helping you to make money also by copying and pasting the links either on your social media, either in your platforms. So now I'm going to be showing you now how you can be starting also this copy pasting work. So what you need to do, you need to come here and click here on this button. You can see I have this these options, which is also become a seller. If you want to be a seller on this platform, you can be also signing up and also become start selling your product for free on this platform. So now you can be also able to come here and also click on this affiliate program. So if you also click on this affiliate program, you can be also be able to start also creating your own link, your own custom link that will be helping you to track the link you pasted somewhere, and also be able to earn money in your dashboard, and also be able to withdraw the amount you have earned. So for example, so let me click on this link. So now after clicking on this link, you can see I'm going to the affiliate account, and also you can see if I'm on an affiliate dashboard, what I can see, you can see I have this dashboard also, which is the one I can be able to track every links that I have also pasted somewhere, and also everything that people have bought through my links I shared via those social medias. I have also pasted everywhere. So now what you need to do, you need also to click here on become an affiliate if it's the first time to join. So now if you click there, also you're going to be redirected to the platform or the dashboard that will be now helping you to track everything, track every buyer also who have also tried to buy your product or the link you shared. You can see I have 5% of the commission that you may be able to make as a part of also the link you shared. Also as a part of the link, you can see now you see total paid, you can see total refunded balance. So you can see conversion rate, which means every order completed, you can be able to see it here, and also every order that has been refunded, you can also be able to track it there. You don't have to worry. Also, what you do, you need to come there and also copy your link, as you have found that you have the link, then you bring the link here. So what you need to do, you need to come here and also bring it to the link generator. So once you come to the link generator, you can also paste that link. So after pasting that link, which means you are going to be having the custom or unique URL or link that you also can be able to use to track the items. So what you need to do, also you need to be also pasting now the link here. So now we can be also pasting your link there. So if I paste my link there, you can see now it is generating. I can even decide to be sharing my link here. This is your link, your affiliate ID, and this is your affiliate link. You can be copying it and also be able to share it anywhere. Also, this is now the link for the product I have now chosen. So what I need to do, I need to copy this product or this item. And also, for example, if I want to be visiting this item with this link, I want to copy it here. So after copying and pasting it there, also it's the same as I can also take this link and also take it to my social media accounts. So I have also to click enter also, so that I can proceed with this item. So what I need to do, you can see it is now loading, which means it is going to be retrieving the same item or the same product data also I have copied the link for. So what I want to show you is that also, as you can see, I have here in this link, I have an ID which is the 17, which means that this can be helping you to track the details or to track the order, to track the client who have purchased the order of this link. So if I come back to an affiliate account, you can see I have an option also of visit, which means I can be able to track even everyone who have visited items, even though that person did not also manage to purchase that item, but also I can be able to see it. You can be able to see every commissions that you have earned through the link you have pasted somewhere, and also you can be able to manage every orders that have been completed through your link, and also you can be able to withdraw money. You can be able to create a new link. You can be able to choose the custom item that you want to be selecting here. So what you need to do, you need to come on this platform and also decide which one you can be able to sell, which one you can be able to promote, and also after that you're going to be earning 5% of every sales that is made. So you don't have to worry about your payment. Also, you can be pasting your link anywhere. You can be pasting your link on any given platform and also be able to generate money, be able to get passive income also without wasting time. and also while you were sitting somewhere, and also even while you were relaxing. Thank you for watching this video. Also, if you have any question or suggestion, so leave it in the comment section, and also remember to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel, Nomax TV, so you can be getting future uploads here at Nomax TV. So if you have any suggestion, and also leave it in the comment section.